Are you looking for a partner who will take care of technological transport in your production process? Promus Katowice is a leading producer of such solutions. Our international company has its headquarters in Sosnowiec and a large branch in the Czech Republic, which shares the fence with our partner Skoda's factory in Mladá Boleslav. As an experienced organization which has been active in this industry for 30 years, we have completed projects both in Poland and throughout Europe. Our offer includes comprehensive execution of the order, from the concept created with the client, through project design, production and assembly to startup assistance. First, we adapt the concept to the needs of the customer's production line and the type of transported product. Then, our design department develops individual solutions for each task, taking into account the applicable standards and regulations. In our modern workshop, we see to maintaining quality at every stage of production, from CNC milling, laser cutting, bending and welding of metal sheets, to shot blasting and high-tech powder coating. Our solutions offer various types of conveyors, including roller, chain, screw and bolt systems, as well as various types of mechanical devices necessary for the designed transport line, e.g. lifts, stackers, turntables or automatic unloading systems. The transport systems produced by us are first assembled and tested in our production workshops and then, after delivery, at the end customer's location. Our experienced specialists decide on the assembly method in a given location, focusing on efficient and safe execution. After the startup of the transport system, we guarantee the availability of specialist mechanics for maintenance as well as electricians, both under the guarantee and after its expiration. Join our clients and find out more about us. Visit www.promus.katowice.pl, write an email or call us.